Hi, I'm Lisa Oxon. I'm the Beauty and Style Director of Marie Claire. Screen Siren is pure Hollywood. Beautifully flawless skin, smouldering eyes and lips that shout old school glamour. Red carpet makeup artist Gina Kane shows us how using Estee Lauder.
Choose a foundation with maximum coverage for a flawless finish and apply with a brush. Pay particular attention to the jaw and hairline. Follow with an illuminator under the eyes to combat any shadows. Lightly dust translucent powder to give a porcelain effect, then follow with bronzer to sculpt. Add a highlighting shimmer high on the cheekbones to contour them further. Swoosh a taupe shadow around the eyes in an almond shape, taking it under the bottom lash line. Next we use a black kohl pencil along the top lash line and finish with a lengthening mascara. The Screen Siren look relies on immaculate lips in the perfect shade of red. So use a lip liner to shape and then apply a red lipstick with a lip brush for extra precision. Finish with a dab of clear lip gloss for some shine.